Hey guys, my name is Michal Hucko and welcome to the Python for Beginners tutorial, The Road to Machine Learning, Part 1. In the series of courses, I want to teach you the machine learning in Python. Exactly in this course, I'm gonna teach you some Python basics. I will cover stuff like Python variables, Python data types, Python loops, custom functions, and many more. This course is especially dedicated for those of you who are novel in programming. So for absolute Python beginners. I would also recommend this course for those of you who just want to learn the Python syntax. During the course, I will cover some Python examples in the Visual Studio Code. In the course, I will cover step-by-step guide how to install the Python and Visual Studio Code. All the examples from this course you can find on my GitHub page, which is linked in the description below. I used to be a teacher at the university. I was teaching procedural programming and object-oriented programming. I was doing research in the machine learning. You can find some of my papers on the internet. Right now I'm working as a machine learning DevOps engineer in the company. Right now some of you may ask, well Michal, but why is your course the best one? Well, I'm not telling that my course is the best one. I'm just telling that in my course I will cover all the practical parts of the road to the machine learning. So if you are interested in this kind of stuff, feel free to join my courses. During this course we will create a small tic-tac-toe project which will serve as a playground for you to test all skills which you learn through this course. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope guys I will see you in the next video of this course.